Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we are going to start new chapter of geometry of standard 10, coordinate geometry. Dear friends, first point of this chapter is distance formula. Distance. Distance formula is used to find the distance between two points. First I explain. If we draw here one graph, this is Cartesian system, and here one segment is given, segment AB. Now here two endpoints of this seg are A and B. Okay, and now we have to find distance between AB, distance AB, means distance between point A and B. Then we can use distance formula. But what is the distance formula? If we consider, now here you see, this is x coordinate of point A, x1, x coordinate of point A, and here x2 is x coordinate of point B. Here y coordinate, y1 is y coordinate of point A, and here also I plot the line y2, and y2 is y coordinate of point B. Means here, which are coordinates of point A? If I ask which are coordinates of point A is equal to x1 y1. x1 y1 are coordinates of point A. Which are coordinates of point B? Coordinate of point B are x2, y2. These are coordinates of point B. And now we want a distance. We want a distance between point A and B. Now distance formula: distance AB is equal to, distance AB means distance between points A and B. Then formula is, you have to remember this formula, you have to memorize this formula. Distance AB is equal to, in square root, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Means here you see difference between two coordinates, x coordinates, square of that, plus difference between y coordinates of both, square of that. Now formula you remember, because all examples are based on this formula only. Distance AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. This is called distance formula. Now let's start practice set 5.1. First question is, find the distance between each of the following pairs of points. We have to find distance. Now here points are given. First example, A in bracket 2, 3, B in bracket 4, 1. These are coordinates. Now solution. Let A is equal to, consider x1, y1, and points are 2, 3. It means x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3. B is equal to x2, y2 is equal to 4, 1. x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to 1. Now this formula. Therefore, distance AB is equal to, in square root, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now let's put values. x2 4 minus x1 2 bracket square plus y2 1 minus y1 3 bracket square is equal to, now solve this, 4 minus 2 bracket square plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 bracket square. I continue here. Square root of 2 square 4 plus square of 2 4, square of minus 2 4. Square is always positive. Square of minus 2 is also 4, is equal to square root of 4 plus 4 8, and is equal to, now you split 8 as 4 2s are perfect square and non-perfect square. 4 2s are 8, and square root of 4 right outside, square root of 4 2, and this square root irrational. This is the distance. Therefore, distance AB is equal to 2 square root of 2. You can write unit if you want to go right there, right here, unit. In this way, we can find distance between two points by using distance formula. Let's see example number 2. Let P is equal to x1 y1, coordinates are minus 5 7. Q is equal to x2 y2, coordinates are minus 1 3. Distance PQ is equal to, now here coordinates points are PQ, therefore distance PQ is equal to, in square root, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here distance formula. Now put values, it is easy now. x2 minus 1 minus x1 minus 5, I do square bracket, plus y2 3 minus y1 7 bracket square is equal to, now minus 1, see here, we can write directly, minus 1 plus 5, minus 1 plus 5 minus 4 bracket square, plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 bracket square is equal to square of minus 4, 4 4s are 16, positive, square is always positive, plus here also minus 4 square 16. Now here we wrote squares, square root of 16 plus 16 is equal to square root of, now 16 plus 16 32. 32 is not perfect square, then split that number. 32, factors of 32, 16 2s are, 16 2s are, and perfect square, here is 16 is perfect square, square root of 16 4, and root 2 irrational. This is the distance. Distance PQ is equal to 4 root 2 units. Example number 3, R0 minus 3. Let R is equal to 0 minus 3. Yes, now this is x1 y1. Here you can write x1 y1, or first you can write, no problem. S is equal to 0 5 upon 2. Consider them x2 y1. Now distance formula. Therefore, distance RS is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here distance formula. Now put values. Square root of x2 0 minus x1 0 bracket square plus y2 5 upon 2 y1 minus 3 square bracket. Square root of 0 minus 0 0 bracket square plus in bracket 5 upon 2 minus plus 3 bracket square is equal to square root of 0 square 0 plus, now here cross multiplication, denominators are different, cross multiplication, 5 1s are 5 plus 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 5 11 upon 2 bracket square is equal to square root of 0 plus, now 11 upon 2 bracket square 121 upon 4 is equal to square root of, now 0 plus 121 upon 4, 121 upon 4, and both are perfect squares. Square root of 121, 11, and square root of 4, 2. 11 upon 2 unit. Distance RS is equal to 11 upon 2 units. Or if you want to write in decimal fraction, means 5.5, then also correct answer. Example number 4. Let L is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 5 minus 8. M is equal to x2 y2 minus 7 minus 3. Therefore, distance LM is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here distance formula. Now put values. X2 minus 7 minus 5 bracket square plus y2 minus 3 minus y1 minus 8 square bracket is equal to square root of minus 7 minus 5. Same sign addition, higher value sign minus 12 bracket square plus in bracket minus 3 plus 8 5 bracket square minus 3 minus minus plus minus 3 plus 8 5 is equal to square root of minus 12 square 144 plus square of 5 25 is equal to square root of addition 169 and square root of 169 is 13. Distance LM is equal to 13 units. Example number 5. Let T is equal to x1 y1, coordinates are minus 3 6. R is equal to x2 y2, coordinates are 9 minus 10. Therefore, distance TR is equal to, formula is x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Distance formula. Now put values. Square root of x2 minus 10 minus x1, sorry, x2 y1, x2 y2 9, x2 9 minus x1 minus 3 bracket square plus y2 minus 10 minus y1 6 bracket square is equal to square root of 9 plus 3 12 bracket square plus minus 10 minus 6 minus 16 bracket square. Now here we have to write squares of these numbers. Square of 12 144 plus square of minus 16 256 is equal to square root of addition 300 400, and it is perfect square. Square root of 420. Therefore, distance TR is equal to 20 units. Let's see example number 6. Let W is equal to x1 y1. Coordinates are minus 7 upon 2 4. X is equal to x2 y2. Coordinates are 11 4. By distance formula, distance Wx is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. By distance formula. Now put values. Square root of x2 11 minus x1 minus 7 upon 2 bracket square plus y2 4 minus 4 bracket square is equal to square root of Now here 11 plus 7 upon 2 bracket square plus 4 minus 4 0 square is equal to square root of. Now here cross product. 11 2s are 22. 22 plus 7 29. 29 upon 2 1s are 2 bracket square, and here plus 0 square 0. Now here we have to write squares of them. Square of 29 upon 2 bracket square plus 0, no need to write, and is equal to, answer is 22 upon 9, because it order 2 power 2. When order and powers are same, square root is base itself, means radical itself. 22 upon 29 upon 2 is the distance between wx.